Hey friends, if you wish to fix WSAPPX High CPU Usage in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So this is one issue which I have addressed like years and years ago, and it still remains prevalent. There are only two solutions to it. First of all, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to perform a clean boot on the system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar, go to system configuration, and then go to the services tab. Okay. And then you can check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.